What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. In this video, I want to show you guys how to unlock more video questions in this Influence app. Very easy app to use. You're going to get paid to get video responses. So whenever you run out of questions, you just click on this top box, unlock more video questions, and I'm going to kind of give you like survey type deals. So I'm just going to click on to show you how it works. It's going to basically ask you questions, kind of like a profiler type deal, and then based on your answers here, you can basically get more questions. So you might have to do it a couple of times before you actually get questions. Before you actually get video responses, but just keep doing it. So I'm going to click on it again. And a lot of times what you'll find out is like once they start asking you a lot of questions in this section, they probably have something in store for you. So just make sure you just answer. All your answers are kind of lining up. They're not just all over the place and you're just, saying anything. So, that really helps you, get more surveys or more video responses. And we know with the video responses, once you get those, there's no disqualifying for them. So, like I said, I'm just going through this kind of profiler, just answering the questions. Make sure I read the entire question and answer it appropriately because, there's a chance that, they're going to send me something. So, just going to finish answering these real quick. Like I said, you can do this whenever you run out of question. Like sometimes you'll give a video response and then when you're done with that, another one will come up just kind of like, that's kind of an extension of that one, if that makes any sense. So just keep on answering it and, just keep unlocking more video questions. So I'm just going to finish this real quick. All right, so I may be eligible for more questions. So I'll go back to the home page and right there, another one pops up. So basically when this happens, all you got to do is click on it. And once you click on it, just make sure you're answering all what they're asking you in the question details. I'm going to click on this right here. So everything they're asking in the question details, just make sure I answer that. You have to leave at least a 15-second review. So I'll just click on Start Task and then record myself. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to kind of fast forward this real quick. So once it gets done, I'll just click Stop. And like I said, a minimum of 15 seconds. They allow you to do it up to a minute. But once it's done, I can play it back if I want to see myself, or you can just upload it. And it takes a few seconds for it to finish uploading, depending on your internet speed. So I'm just going to let that finish. And once it's done, it'll say, something, response uploaded successfully. So I'll go back to the home page. You can see here I have no more questions. Now, I'm actually going to cash out here. I think I got like a little bit over $20. Yeah, $20.45. So a minimum of $15 to cash out with this app. But, it's really easy to get because your video response is like 25 cents to $1. So I'm going to click on PayPal. I'm going to connect it. Agree and connect. And I can leave PayPal. Open it back up in the Influence app. And click on it again. And the payment will be sent to me within 72 hours. So about 3 days before they get it to me. Not bad at all. So it's very easy. Like, a lot of these video responses, like I said, are between 25 cents to $1. You can get multiple ones throughout the day. It really just depends on how you're answering those, unlike more video question responses. So just continue to stay on top of it. The more active you are using this app, the more questions they will send you, the more video responses they'll give you. So just be active on it. I would say check on it maybe once or twice a day to see if you can unlock more video questions. And the more you do it, the more your payments will go up. You might start out making 25 cents, 50 cents, and then you'll get up there in the 75 cents and $1 range where you can pretty much do a few of those or maybe a couple of those a day. So like I said, it's really easy to use. Just all you gotta do is download it on your phone, your tablet or whatever. I'll leave the link to it in the description. Remember, you can cash out at a minimum of $15 using PayPal. Start making this money today by clicking the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.